Welcome to the course on hot work permits. What is hot work? Hot work is any work using open flames or sources of heat that could ignite materials in the work area. Hot work. Examples of hot work are welding, burning, brazing, propane soldering, oxyacetylene cutting, grinding ferrous metals. Why hot work permits? Every year fires related to hot work activities occur, causing significant property damage and business interruption. Many of these fires could have been prevented if employees and contractors had used appropriate fire prevention measures while conducting hot work. You can also call us at 866-706-7283, extension 2, or email us at sales@fastrescue.com.